In this bowl, we have brown sugar, and butter. I beat this till light and fluffy. Salt. It's light and fluffy now. We add the eggs. Don't forget to scrape the side of the bowl and the bottom. Just about 2-3 minutes. Look at light and fluffy and smooth. Now we're going to add the food coloring. So the original Cookie Monster cookie is blue, but I'm creating a new one for my sisters. I'm doing it green. So a tablespoon of food coloring. So depending on what food coloring you use, you should always get gel because the color will stay when it bakes. So a tablespoon food coloring. If you want a deeper color, you might have to add a little bit more. But when you mix it with the butter, you get to see it more, how it comes out. The food coloring that I use is Americolor. It's a very good brand. It's a little bit expensive, but it's worth it. Now, my two favorite extract is butternut and vanilla, but you can use any extract you like. So some butternut extract and some vanilla extract. Now we're going to add in our baking powder, 2 teaspoons. Now we add the bread flour. You don't want to overmix. Because you still have to add in all the chocolate chips and everything. Make sure you scrape it from the bottom. I'm going to add a tablespoon sour cream in here to give it a nice moisture. Now we're going to mix all this together. So pretty much you can put any kind of chocolate in here that you like. I put in mini chips and mini M&Ms and regular size chocolate chip. Now we're going to stuff it with stuff, so you don't want to put too many chocolate. Okay, this is a very sticky dough. So we're going to let it sit. And it will dry up a little bit. So it'll be easier to work with. See? It's less sticky when you wait. Leave it room temperature, leave it for about an hour, it'll be fine. So now we're going to scoop it all out and stuff our cookies. You can stuff this cookie any way you like. So all you gotta do is cut it in half. You want the bottom to be thicker. And we're going to put a whole cookie in here. And we'll put this, before we put the cookie in, I would like to put a piece of white chocolate on the bottom. And then your dough. And just cover it up. You can wait a few more minutes or put a little more flour and your dough will dry right up when it sits at room temperature, and then when we put it in the fridge too. And then I'm going to stuff it with a strawberry jelly roll as well. because I like to see the red color inside. Wouldn't that look nice? Green and red. And we're going to put a little jelly on top. So the red jelly go on top like this. And then the jelly will go on top. And then we put on... So you can stuff it anything, any way you like. And then what we're going to do is we're going to make little ears. You can use a chocolate chip cookie for ears. Make the ears. So you want to put in the ears. You can do... One ear is Oreo, one ear is chocolate chip cookie, whichever one you want. Leave room for the eyes, and then for the mouth, stick it in there. And we can't put the eyes in yet until after they cook. We're gonna put these in the fridge, and so they can chill, be easier to handle. And then they have two sizes. I got the big ring for the big one. Big ring here. Okay, I put the cookie in the ring. You can see there's the large ring. I didn't weigh them out, so these are ready to go into the oven. Okay, into the oven. Okay, 6 minutes it up. Ooh, looks good. Okay, I'm gonna rotate it. Okay, looking good. Let's remove these rings. It has cooled down completely. See, you slide off here. Well, this big one slide off easily. It's the little one. I have to get it. It's too soft. It's good that we spray these things. I melt some chocolate in a Ziploc bag. Make sure it's a freezer. It's a little thicker in the plastic and won't burn through the plastic. And we are going to attach the eyes. Very small. I'm going to just cut a small tip from here, not too big. So that way I can do the hair and we can attach the eyes. Okay, perfect. Let's do the hair first. So I'm going to how you like this, and I'm going to do curly hair. Do some hair here. Curly hair. Okay, let me put some chocolate here. And I put the eyes on. How's that look? Put some hair on here. Now doesn't that look cute? Look how cute these came out. So this is dry because this was chocolate melt that I did. See? So I try to do some hair on top. But pretty much you can do anything you want, any color you want. Blue, you know, the Cookie Monster is known for. And you can put any cookie. You can put Teddy Graham crackers in here. Those little Teddy Graham cookies for ears. Let your imagination run. Or you can just leave it plain like this. And add more white chocolate chips. But I like the big ring better. You can see the height. It's not too high like the small one. See, some small one is higher. So I like the bigger ring better. So let's cut into these. Big review. Wow, this is one with the chocolate chip and the white chocolate. It looks so good together. You can see. See how they taste. Crispy edges. Very flavorful cookie, even though for the green color. Delicious. The sour cream really makes this cookie really soft. You can see right there. It's a cute cookie. Oh, this one I stuffed with a banana cookie. That looks not bad. Very nice. Oh yes, here's the strawberry. I put a little jelly in there as well. Looks good. So this look be great for Christmas time. Red and green, or the Grinch cookie. Bon appetit. See you in the next video.